Mobile workers, for example, industry which belongs to the hotels, cars and airport resorts, they would like to stay and get in connect in a single platform, so they can use this. Work from home users can also be more reliable and flexible to use this feature, to use this tool. Office workers, as we all are using this feature to get connected and will be more collaborative after using this tool. Team leader brings people and get idea together. We can use this. To executor, the creator and the thinker of a company uses Skype for business for both an internal and the external communication. Everyone else that could be a customer, vendor, कोई भी ये tool use कर सकता है. So thanks a lot.